Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Aziz. For the first attribute, which is fee, 28 out of 30 students prefer to pay less than 500. This is relatable since students cannot afford to pay more than that amount, which is 500. The second attribute is location. 21 out of 30 students prefer the course location inside the campus, and another 9 students prefer it outside the campus. It is because it will make it easier for all the students to attend the classes. For the duration, majority of the students prefer to choose the course that only lasts for 2 hours a week. In my opinion, this is because they don't want to feel stressed with too many classes and assignments. Therefore, they choose the class that has a short time period. For the learning method, half of the students choose the offline learning method and the rest choose the online learning method. This is because both of learning method has their pros and cons. That's why the result for the both of it are the same. And lastly, for the interest, 25 out of 30 students thought that the course offered are interesting, and another 5 students thought that the course offered are somewhat interesting. It is very important for us to choose a course that we like and interesting so that the learning process is effective.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisya najwa. I am a second year of marketing student. I'm from pricing decision section 2. So here I'm going to explain about the 5 attributes that we can include on our survey. So based on the result that we give to the university students, we conclude that the most of students would prefer the monthly fee is less than 500 ringgit. So in this case, because of the demand from that we get from the survey, we decrease the cost for the course, become 300 until 400 ringgit to reduce the cost on the students' tuition fees. And it has been settled that for the convenience of the learning course, it has been settled that the learning location is going to be conducted still inside the campus. And the course will be conducted inside the campus, which the learning method will be conducted by offline, which is the students and the lecturer will have a face-to-face class, and it will be conducted as 2 hours in a week.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Nur binti Omata. Based on the research we conducted, we'll be able to find out student demographic data through Google Form, which can easily help us to see the division of student segment from different customer characteristics like ethnic and gender easily. Based on demographic data that we found that 83.3% of respondents are Malaysian students and the rest are not Malaysian citizen students, while the ethnic show a total of 46.7% respondents are from Chinese ethnic. The duration factor also played an important role in short course selection. This because the duration of course will have an impact on the student. So what can we see? Many group of students prefer to take short course that has been shorter duration to save their time. This because based on the data, there is 7.7% of the student group preferring a course duration that is only 2 hours a week compared more than 2 hours a week. Place selection factor is also a factor in short course selection. This can be shown based on the data obtained, showing that 70% of students prefer to choose course provided on campus than outside the campus. This because maybe the group of students who choose a course provided on campus think that they will incur more additional costs to go the location of the course provided outside the campus. What can be concluded based on the above information show an example of these two attributes can be a major factor in the decision of students, in particular segmentation, in choosing the course they will choose.
Hello, my name is xinhe. Each student will have their own performances, and the university or college will charge for the course according to their performances. For example, if all marketing students choosing business marketing, so there will be fewer students choosing other subjects. And the university may increase the fees for this course. If students have a high level of attendance with the institution and satisfied with the course, and the fees have not been increased, a small increase can be accepted. The price increase should also raise confidence in the increase. The institution's teaching service should also be exceptionally detailed. It is also important to improve the environment of the institution. It's also important to communicate more to increase friendships and to choose from a good feeling and trust in someone. It